big old world. So what did I miss? California girl.
So today we are at National Railway Museum in Delhi. So let's find out why this place is so well known.
It's a big old world. So what did I miss?
The National Rail Museum in Delhi represents the rich heritage of India. The museum has been kept well maintained even after such a long time of period.
So what did I miss?
The museum was opened for public on 1st February 1977. Since then, all the school picnics are happening here and kids just love this place.
So what did I miss?
The foundation stone of National Railway Museum was laid by then President Mr. V.V. Giri on 7th October 1971.
So what did I miss? California girl.
Some of the famous shots of movie The Burning Train were shot in this museum.
It's a big old girl. Oregon bliss. Alright.
So I hope you enjoyed this place.
I had a fun day today and it was a very nice place, very fun. And especially the railways here, the demos, it's just perfect.
So how about let's try Bihari cuisine after this.
For sure, I would love to have something like that.
So let's head out to Pottery.
For sure.
Famous for their Bihari cuisine.
So after having a fun day at Railway Museum, now we are at the Pot Belly.
It's a big old world. So what did I miss? California girl.